Hello guys, welcome to WhatsApp demo series. Today we are here to discuss a new connector which is Zoho connector. I am already installed a Zoho connector in Odoo, and after installation we have few many options. So first one is the credentials, and we start with the credential many options and look forward the remaining ones. So first of all, in credentials, we have to create a application in Zoho Developer Console and collect the required information parameters and put in the required fields. After that, when we fill out all the required fields, we just simply click the connect button. So it will authorize a specific account that you are using for. Okay, so if you already authorized that account, it will redirect to the Odoo. As you can see, after we will go to Zoho. Okay, so the information credential part is we have covered. So next move to the menu option connector. Okay, so we have few menu options, or we can say some of the services of the Zoho that we are integrated. Okay, so these services are the contacts, calendar events, tasks and emails. So we start one by one and check out the workflow of synchronization of data. Okay, also we have a daytime filter that filter out the data that we are looking for in a specific span. Okay, and we have a sync button after the selection of the above options. Okay, so we will start with the contacts. So I just open a contact in a new tab to check out the contacts. As you can see, we have only two contacts in the contacts module. Okay, so we will create a new one. We can give us a dummy name, and we can assign a dummy email address. Okay, you can fill out the other remaining fields if you are looking for, and save it. So as you can see, the contact is saved successfully in Odoo. So we are going to export the contacts in a specific span. Okay, so I just simply click the sync button. So it will take few seconds to perform internal background processes. So as you can see, the synchronization process is completed successfully, and also you can check out the history of import and export operations. Okay, so I am going to check out whether contacts are exported successfully or not in Zoho. So I am going to Zoho Mail, and here is the section is contacts, and you can see the two contacts are successfully exported from Odoo to Zoho. Okay, so we are adjust all the contacts from Odoo. Okay, so I'm going to add a new contact, and I just pull out some sample information. So I pull out and some of the information like email, and the contact is created successfully in Zoho Mail. Okay, so I am going to import that contact in Odoo. Okay, so just we simply click the import button, and we can adjust the time frame, but we are working in that time frame. We just go ahead and click the sync button. So it will take few seconds, and you can see the synchronization process is completed successfully. So go to the contacts and just refresh the page. So as you can see, the contact is imported successfully. Okay, so as you can see, the contacts operations that are import and export are perfectly working. Okay, so we next move to the calendar events. Okay, so we just go to the calendar, and we just view a month view, and we add an event today. Simply create with summary name auto export testing, and just click the create button. So it will add the event, and we can also customize the information attributes. For example, we can add the attendees. For example, we add a king, and we can add some of the description values. So I just copy the above text and put the paste and description. Okay, so we just add these information for testing purpose, and just simply click the save button. So the event is added successfully in Odoo. Okay, so we are going to export that calendar event into Zoho. So check the export option, and just simply click the sync button. So the synchronization process is completed successfully. So we are going to check out Zoho Mail, and here is a section is a calendar, and we move to the month view, and you can see the event is exported successfully. Okay, and you can verify all the information parameters. Okay, so also we can create a new event in Zoho Mail, and that event will be imported in Odoo. Okay, so I'm just add a new event on 5th November, and add up some of the title name, click on more details, and we can add the description value. The other stuff will be same. You can also specify the attendees. I will add king, so I add an attendee, and just simply click the save button. So the event is created successfully. Okay, so we are going to import that contact calendar event in Odoo. So I just click this import option, and click the sync button. And you can see the synchronization process is completed successfully. So we can check out in Odoo. So I'm just refresh the page. As you can see, the event is imported successfully in Odoo. Okay, and also you can verify the other information that you mention in Zoho calendar event. Okay, as you can see the attendee and description. Okay, so as you can see, the import and export both operations works perfectly. Okay, so move to the next service, which is the task. For the task, we can operate all the tasks to the contact module, and I can add a point. The only one account will be used, or we can say only one contact will be used, that will be using for the authorization. Okay, so as we are using this account for the authorization, so all the tasks will be associated to this account. Okay, uh, other than contacts will not be usable for the task service. Okay, so I just simply click the data account, and we can add some of the tasks using schedule activities. Okay, so click on schedule activity. So I can add some of the dummy information. Okay, so task testing while export, and also we can specify of its description value. I'm just demonstrate the workflow. You can add accordingly, and also you can specify the due date. Okay, so after the fill out the information, we just simply click the schedule button. So it will schedule our task, as you can see. So we are going to export that task to Zoho. Okay, so I just simply click the export button and click the sync button. So it will take few seconds while processing the information. So as you can see, the process is completed successfully. So I'm going to check Zoho whether the task exported successfully or not. So click on the task. Okay, so as you can see, the task is exported successfully. You can view also from the personal tasks. Okay, so you can see the task as well. Okay, so as you can see, the export operation is successfully executed. So we are going to add a new task that will be import in Odoo. Okay, so we can create a new task from the new task button, and we can add some of the title of the task: Odoo import task testing. And similarly, we can specify the description as well. Okay, and we can specify the due date. Okay, and just simply click the save button. Okay, so the task is created successfully in Zoho, and we are going to import that task in Odoo. So I just simply check the import operation and click the sync button. So it will take few seconds. So the synchronization process is completed successfully, and I am going to check in contacts. So I just simply refresh the page. So as you can see, the task is imported successfully. Okay, so both operations are works perfectly. Okay, so move to the next service, which is the emails. So here we have only one operation, which is import operation. Okay, so we just simply click the import emails and we can adjust the time frame, and I simply select the previous month date. Okay, to cover all the emails. So simply click the sync button. So it will take few seconds. So as you can see, the process is completed successfully, and also I can demonstrate the emails that we already have in mailbox. So as you can see, we have 2 mails. Okay, and we can check out from contacts. So we are in specific contact, and we scroll down, and here you can see the emails are successfully imported with attachments. Okay, we are in contact module, and we are going to test out the send mail option to different email IDs or different contacts. So I'm going to create a new contact. So I just put some dummy information name, and we add actual email address. To test out whether the email sent or feature works or not. So I just add the email address and name. Okay, and click the save button. Okay, so the contact is created successfully, and I'm going to send a message. Okay, so I just mentioned the detail that I'm sent to the other user. So I just add some of the dummy text. And also we can attach some of the attachment files. So I attach 2 files and just simply click the send button. So it will take few seconds while sending the email to using Zoho credentials. Okay, so the mail is successfully sent to the given email ID. So we are going to check out whether we have received an email or not. So I'm going to Zoho inbox and refresh the page. So as you can see, the send mail feature is worked perfectly. So the last service or feature we can say, which is the Zoho Docs. So we are going to contact module. We are here in contact module to demonstrate Zoho Doc, and we just select some of any random contact. For example, we select the king, and here you can see a section named Zoho Docs, and here are 2 buttons, export file and import files. Okay, so these 2 buttons help out to synchronize all the files from Odoo to Zoho Docs and vice versa. Okay, so we just upload some files in Odoo. So I simply click the attachments and I select this one image, and the image is uploaded successfully in Odoo, and just simply click the export button. So it will take few seconds, and after when the process is completed, the page will be refreshed automatically. Okay, so we can check out to Zoho Docs, and I already opened that. Okay, so as you can see, the file is already uploaded, and you can verify also from the folder name, and you can see the file is exported successfully from Odoo. Okay, so I'm going to upload a file in Zoho Docs, a random file, which will be an online sport. So it will take few seconds while uploading file. So the file is uploaded successfully, and we are going to import that file in Odoo. So just simply click the import button. Okay, so it will take few seconds, and after the process it will redirect the page automatically. Okay, so I just click the Zoho Docs, and as you can see, the both files imported successfully in Odoo. Okay, so these are the services that we are integrated in Odoo. So happy to use Zoho. Okay, bye.